Okay, let's talk about Fremont. If you're not from there, maybe you don't know that much about it. Maybe you're like, wait, where is it again? Fremont. East Bay or South Bay?
South. East Bay! No, it's South. To me, it's always been South.
But you say?
I say East Bay.
Why? Fremont is here. Yes, in the East Bay, at the end of the BART line in South Alameda County, nestled around Silicon Valley. It's actually a pretty cool place with some fascinating history, which, spoiler alert, has to do with Hollywood, but we'll get to that in a minute. The first thing to know about Fremont is it's huge, nearly 92 square miles, almost twice the square footage of San Francisco, and in terms of population, the fourth largest city in the Bay Area. It's also relatively new. It wasn't officially formed until 1956, more than 100 years after San Jose, when 5 separate towns, Centerville, Niles, Mission San Jose, Warm Springs, and Irvington, merged into one. That said, life has been there for years. Seriously, Fremont made headlines a few years back when a trove of Ice Age fossils of extinct animals dating back almost 2 million years was unearthed by a construction crew working in the city. Decades earlier, in the 1940s, a group of young boys also found similar fossils. Today, Fremont is known for a few reasons. One, it's extraordinarily diverse. It has the country's largest Afghan population. And second, it's a hub for tech manufacturing. It's where Apple made its first Mac computers and where Tesla has its main factory, which is currently the city's largest employer. But as some film buffs might tell you, it's also known for something else. Several silent movies were filmed in Fremont in the early 1900s, including 5 Charlie Chaplin films. Remember The Tramp? Yep, filmed in Fremont. Now, Chaplin didn't live in the area long. History says he didn't really like it. But still, he left his mark. The city has a museum dedicated to the history of silent films and an annual Charlie Chaplin celebration. A pretty cool claim to fame, even now, in modern times.